Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining. As you can see, it is extremely early in the morning. Okay, now it's 5 o'clock, but we left home at 4:30. Where are you going, DJ, you might ask? Well, we're on our way to the airport because we are going to Cape Town. We're going just for the weekend. My cousin's getting married in Cape Town in Somerset West, so we're going for the weekend and I'm taking you guys along with me. So I love Cape Town. Cape Town's like probably one of my most favorite cities in the world. Like, where else, guys, can you find, like, number one, the most beautiful beaches like ever? You've got like Clifton and Camps Bay. Clifton has the most, it's white sandy beaches, blue water, palm trees, boulders, and then the mountain in the background. Like, it's beautiful beaches, number one. Number two, the mountain, like Table Mountain. I think it's one of the 7 wonders of the world, like number 2. And then number 3, like just outside, you've got the most beautiful winelands you've ever seen in your life. Like, I love it, and that's my favorite part, is the winelands, and that's where we're going. So this weekend we're not really going to go into Cape Town itself, but we're going to be in Franschoek, Somerset West, doing the winelands area. You know, we're very excited, so can't wait to see you guys there.
As I prepare to board my flight from Johannesburg to Cape Town, I can't help but feel excited for the adventure ahead. Flight is a quick 2 hours, but the anticipation of arriving in the beautiful mother city makes it feel like mere minutes. I'm so lucky to be a stone's throw away from this adventure, and I have so much planned for this short weekend trip away. As we descend, the stunning landscape comes into view, and I'm reminded why Cape Town is one of the most iconic destinations in the world. I can't wait to explore all that this vibrant city has to offer. Cape Town, here I come. I hope you're ready for me. The highlight of every trip to Cape Town is always seeing that beautiful mountain. Hello again, old friend. Okay guys, so we came to the Lorensford market. It's like a night market at a wine farm. It's beautiful. So we're gonna check that out. We're gonna have some food, have some drinks. Just gonna be like a vibe at night time. How cool is that? A night market, I love it. So we're gonna check it out. As the sun sets on this beautiful autumn evening, I find myself at the Lorensford wine farm. The temperature hovers around 22 degrees Celsius and the vibe here is electric. The sound of a live guitarist fills the air as people gather around communal tables, sharing good food and great conversation. I'm meeting the family here before the wedding on Sunday, and it's just such a great place to relax and hang out. Welcome to the Lorensford Night Market. Thick with the tantalizing aroma of amazing food and drinks from all over the world. From savory pizzas with toppings inspired by different destinations to sweet treats like mouth-watering fudge, there's something to delight every taste bud. The Motor Studio has some great cars on display for the petrol head, or just the layman to oogle at. I'll take the Ferrari Spider, please.
Well, you've got to introduce me as your new whatever, go-to guy. Whatever I can be on your channel, I want to be. I'm going to be on YouTube.
Maybe Virginia is going to get me a lot of views.
Oh, whatever.
Guys, that's my cousin. His son is the one that's getting married. So our whole family is here. We're having fun, eating. He's a kidder, such a jokester. As you can see,
This is a vibrant and colourful feast for the senses, with the sounds of laughter and live music filling the air. This is a place where you can savour the flavours of the world under one roof. We are all here to indulge in the vibrant energy of this bustling night market.
Guys, this is my outfit for the wedding. My cute little, wait, you can't even see it. My little shoes, I bought these from Edgar's the other day. It was like 200 rand because I just wanted a little heel for the wedding. My cute little ballet skirt and a cute little statement earring.
Hey guys, okay, so we are now at the wedding of my cousins. The whole reason we came to Cape Town, and it was such a beautiful wedding, guys. This place is beautiful. Congratulations to my cousin and his beautiful new bride. It was beautiful, guys. Oh, I love the Winelands wedding. Love it. Now we're gonna party. And just like that, the whole reason for our Cape Town trip is over. Huge congrats to my cousin and his beautiful new bride. I wish you both all the best for your future. I love being here with everyone, and in the words of Dominic Toretto, there's nothing more important than family. Mia familia. Stay tuned for some highlights of my Cape Town trip. I went to the beautiful seaside town of Hermanus. It's a laid-back dream, and I'm making a dedicated video of this stunning place. Next up, we were in Franschoek, aka wine country. I visited the Motor Museum and then had a little wine. The amazing Lorensford farm is a must-see destination. I also spent some time at Boschendal and finally ended up at the Rupert and Rothschild's Vigneron. We also went to see penguins, more markets, and did another red bus tour. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Bye!